Today I'll be preparing the lentil soup. It's a traditional Middle Eastern soup. We call it in Arabic شوربة العدس. So first, in a pan, we have to add corn oil and start saute the onions. Saute the onion for around a minute. Add the celery, then the potato cubes, and the carrots. Mix well for almost 2 minutes. It's a healthy soup, and when we say lentil, of course, we are talking about the high protein, we are talking about the fiber, the iron, so it's full of vitamins and healthy. We are using the yellow lentil with the mix. Add the salt, a bit of white pepper, sweet pepper, and cumin powder. Mix, and then we will add the vegetable stock. So we lower the heat and keep it for 25 to 30 minutes till it's done. When the lentil gets soft, the soup will be ready for blending. We do serve the lentil soup always with a fried or roasted Arabic bread. So this is the Arabic bread we'll use for our lentil soup. I'll teach you a quick way how to cut it cubes. So just roll the bread, slice it, and then take all slices, open it, and cut it into cubes. So for a healthier option, you will roast it in the oven, and the other option is to fry it, deep fry, till you get the golden color. This is the bread, how it looks like after frying. Crispy, looks good and tasty. So now the soup is ready. The potato, the carrots, the lentils, soft and cooked. And we have to blend it, which this one will be the last stage before serving. Now the color will be changed to yellow because of the carrots and the yellow lentil. The last step before serving it, we need to taste. It's delicious. It's nice texture. The bread. Serve it with lemon and garnish with any herbs you have. This is the recipe we prepared for you and hope you enjoy it.